Okay, so in today's class, we will be dealing about how do we retrieve any information or any column using select statement. I think it's clear to everyone that there is a single statement, that is select, by which we can fetch the data or any information from the tables, right? The select is what? Select simply means to retrieve data from a table. Okay, now just find the very first heading is retrieving single column. Now let us see what is this. What does this mean? Retrieving single column is what? Suppose if we have a table and we just want to fetch a single column name. So how we can do this? So just find syntax over which is written over here. That is select column name from table name. By writing this syntax, what we'll get? We will be getting just the column name which we have provided. So again I'm telling you all, syntax will be select column name from table name semicolon symbol. Okay, just have a look of its example. Suppose we have a table name is student, and onto that student table we have four columns, that is roll number, name, gender and then marks. Okay, suppose I want to fetch roll number column. So as per the syntax I will be writing select roll number from student. So just to see this, I have written select roll number from student. I told you all whatever is written after select statement. So see here roll number is written. Whatever is written just after select will be displayed. So see from here we can just find a single column, that is roll number column, because only one column is written over here. So from here you'll get this roll number column. Okay, so this is the very first item, that is retrieving single column. Next is retrieving multiple columns. Multiple means what? More than one. Okay, so if we want to fetch data from more than one column, so again we can make use of select statement only. And how we can do this? We can make use of this syntax, that is select column name 1 comma column name 2 dash dash dash, how many columns are there, and then from table name. Okay, as I told that we have a table and table name is a student. Just imagine onto that student table we have four different columns, that is roll number, name, gender as well as marks. Okay, and I want to fetch roll number as well as name from that student table. So what can I do is I can simply make use of select roll number comma name from student. Okay, so by writing this line, that is select roll number comma name from a student, I will be getting this roll number as well as just name. Right now I told you all that whatever is written after select will be displayed onto the MySQL's output. So from here roll number is given as well as name, exactly in the same sequence. Like first of all you will find roll number and then secondly you will find name as the output. Okay, if you want to see student table, so I can show you all the student table. Okay, and if you want to get its screenshot, so please even you can. This is student table, that is roll number, name, gender, marks. Last one is games, which is deleted afterwards. So the main column is this one. The main table is this much, that is roll number, name, gender and then marks. You can get a screenshot of this student table. Okay, so I think second is clear, that is retrieving multiple columns from a table using select statement. Now let's come to the third one, that is changing order of display of columns. Right now I told that suppose you have written select roll number and name. So exactly you'll get first of all roll number and then name. Okay, suppose I have changed this order. First of all I have written name and then I have written roll number. So what I will be getting is I will be getting my answer in exactly same format. That means I will be first getting name and then I will be getting this roll number. So it's select name comma roll number from student. First of all you will get name and then secondly you will get the roll number. I hope this changing order of the columns, I think it's clear to you all. Let's shift to the next one, that is retrieving all columns. All means what? If you simply want to fetch all record from the table, so what we can do, we can make use of this asterisk symbol. Okay, we can make use of this asterisk symbol, and in spite of writing the column names, so directly we can make use of this asterisk symbol, and what we can get, we directly can get every column which is there onto the table. So right now I have shown you all student table. Even you can get its screenshot, that is roll number, name, gender as well as marks. Okay, directly what I have written select asterisk from table name. So asterisk means what? Complete table. Because of this you can find exactly all